Hello everyone, welcome back to Electronics Geek. So today we are getting the job notification from Intel. They are hiring for the post of graphic hardware engineer. So for more such videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss the video. And you can follow us on Instagram. And for more job update, you can join our Telegram group. The link is in the description. So Intel is hiring for the post of graphic hardware engineer. The salary you can expect is 14 to 24 lakh per annum as per the Glassdoor, and the job location is Bangalore and Hyderabad. The work mode will be hybrid. You will be working from the office as well as from the home. Experience is not required. Freshers can easily apply. The batch that can apply for this application is 2023 and below batch can easily apply. So the job responsibility includes research and development of next generation platform design to continue the improve of the performance, and the eligibility criteria is BE, BTech, ME, MTech in electronics and other related branches like electronics and communication, electronics and electrical, electronics and telecommunication. This circuit branch can easily apply. So how you can apply for this application? Just click on apply here. I will put the link in the description as well as in the comment section. From there you can easily apply. So once you click on apply here, you will be redirected to the official website. Just click on apply. So now here you need to first sign in. If you already have an account, you can directly sign in. Otherwise you can create an account. Just click on create an account. Here you can apply directly through the resume or you can apply manually. So I will apply manually. Just click on apply manually. So here in the my information section, first you need to select how did you hear about us. So here select LinkedIn, put in your name, your address, your email ID, your phone number, and just click on save and continue. So in my experience section, if you are a fresher, you don't need to fill in this section. So here what you can type is, because this field is mandatory, here what you can type is in job title type NA, in company name type NA, in the date section you can type today's date, okay, and just leave as it is. Now in the education section, just add your education details, your master degree or bachelor's degree, and in the language you can add the languages. In the skill section you can write whatever the skills you had, like you can write C++, okay, like this. You can add these skills, and here in resume section just upload the resume, click on save and continue. So in the application questions, in the first section you can select no, here also no, third also no. Are you currently having a previous worked with Intel? So select no. Sixth one you can select no, here also no, no. And the ninth, here just agree this, and yes, I'm the citizen of India, here just no, and just click on save and continue. So in the voluntary disclosure, just select your gender and click on yes I have read and click on save and continue. Okay, so in the review section you can review whatever the information you have provided is correct or not. If you find any mistake, just go back and correct it. Once you're done with that, just click on submit. Okay, so if you find any difficulties in filling up this application form, or if you have any other questions, you can comment it below, or you can message me on Instagram. So I hope you find this job useful. So for more such videos, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends, and I will be back with another updates. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.